To search by image on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, we have a couple of options. For example, if you still have the Google search bar widget available on your home screen, then you can tap on this camera icon. This is Google Lens, and of course, usually we use it in order to translate something or to search for something in Google using our camera. However, we can, let's say, go to the gallery, if we grant access to the gallery, of course, and then you can choose any picture that you have on your phone to use it as a reference. And there we go. As you can see, I can use this area of my picture, and then I have Google search results, and I get some products, I have the overview, I have visual matches, and so on and so forth. So of course, I can use that picture as a reference. If you want to, you can of course extend it all the way to the whole picture in case you need to do that. Besides that, instead of using Google Lens, we can also use Circle to Search. So let's say if I go to Gallery and choose the same photo, I can activate Circle to Search by pressing and holding my finger on the navigation bar or the home button, depending on your navigation type. And then I can select the reference area. And there we go. We have, once again, Google search results with the picture that I just opened. Now, if you want to, of course, you can use Circle to Search not only in the gallery, but pretty much at any point while using your phone. So let's say you found something using your browser, or maybe any app showing you something and that you want to search for in Google, then here we can also activate the Circle to Search, and we can do exactly the same thing. So we can select the area as a reference. There we go. And it works exactly the same way. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.